I'd like to say that thank y'all for all the love and all the support over the last some years. I'd like to thank the family, Scooter, Ilya, Bridget, grandkids, great king kids, Mr. Robert Irvin, y'all know him as Basil.
Yeah.
Well, Mama used to love when I said Robert Irvin. To share with y'all how I feel about Mama Carey, to be in business over the last 40 years and to be a friend of Scooters and to start out in business and to appreciate everything that you shared with me. You shared your mother love with me. You shared your family love with me. You shared the community love with me. To look at all the faces out here, and there's a lot of mothers out here. They ask the question each and every day, what happened to their child? But to stand here today, it's a proud moment. Not just for me, but I want it to be a proud moment for y'all. Because when my mama passed, it was a proud moment for me. To not to bury your child, let that be a proud moment for you, for all of us. Because it took a long time for us to get to this point where we can understand where we at. To know the truth is to express how she felt about everything. Now, if you want to know the truth, don't ask her. She hurt my heart so bad one time that I couldn't get over that silk. Boy, that ain't your baby. I had this silk that was Mama Carey. She said, yeah, you heard me there, Mama. But just to share with the love and how she felt for all of us. She told you before it was her. Now you had to accept it and deal with it. When you look around and ask the question, how did she feel about you? It was nothing but love. Right. So at this time, I'd just like to thank y'all. You will be missed, Mama Carey. And you don't have but one. But I was blessed to have two. I was blessed to have two. Because when my mama passed, she held me as if it was going to be okay. So I just want to thank the family and everybody over the years of all the love and support of staying in school and staying. But we were Mama Carey Jean boys. All of us her children. And she touched us all. But if you want to know the truth, don't ask her. Thank y'all. God bless. All right. Pastor, let's get this party started, Pastor.
Stay crazy.
All right, go on. You better want it. You better come get it.